Okay, where have all the small people gone? There were some small people here. No? Maybe we can't play if there's no small people present. I don't want to feel like I'm on my own in this. Okay, okay. In a cage, and I'll be here gone retirement age with my tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, round and round. Tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, round and round. You know how that feels with your tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, round and round. I'm just a hamster in a ball, smashing into a brick wall with my tiny little legs going up and down. Perspective you might not be able to tell, but I am a whole half an inch above average height, yet we can round that up to 13 millimetres above the average height for the UK male. And I was quite pleased with that until I went to the shop to buy some trousers. There are my trousers, that's what I bought. They measured me up and they said, sir, you have tiny, tiny, tiny little legs. How can that be? How can a man be above average height and yet have such fucking tiny little legs? Surely there's a disproportion of scale somewhere going on. What's longer? Have I got very long midriff? Maybe I've got a really long neck and I just hide it under my onesie. Maybe I've got a big forehead. Well, that would be a bit more obvious. No, I just have really, really tiny little legs. I've done the statistics, I've drawn the bell curve, and I've calculated that I have a 67% chance of meeting males in this country that are shorter than me. 67%! And yet I've got such tiny little legs. How does that work? With my tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, round and round. Tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, round and round. Tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, tiny little legs. Tiny little legs. Tiny little legs going up and down, tiny little feet going round and round, tiny little legs. Oh, thank you very much. We're the radio controlled lobsters. Yeah. No, that's fair enough. That is fair enough. I teach maths, not English.